Hey everyone, Nitesh this side. Hope you're doing well. So let's start with the question. So the question is smallest string with a given numeric value. Okay, so the numeric value of a lowercase character is defined as its position, like one index in the alphabet. So the numeric value of A is 1, B is 2, then C is 3, and Z is 26. Okay. So the numeric value of a string consisting of lower character is defined as the sum of its character numeric value. Okay, so for example, if ABC is a string you are given, so you can do the sum for this. So A represent 1, B represent 2, and E is 5. So the sum of this is 8. Okay, so you are given two integer and a k, but you have to return a lexicographical smallest string, basically in the ascending order with the length equal to n. So its length will be like the string length will be equal to n, and the numeric value, basically the sum of the strings, should be equal to k. Okay, so it just tell about lexicography. Okay, so these are some constraints. So n basically 10 to the power 5, and n will always be less than equal to k. Okay, so let's understand with an example. So let's take example 1. So we have n equal to 3 and k equal to 27, which means we have 3 position 1, 2, 3, and we have to the sum of this alphabet should be equal to 27. Okay. So if we can see the output, so for this case y. Okay. So let's just write down A represent 1, then this is 1 and this is 25. So if we do the sum for 1 plus 1 plus 25, it will give you 27. Okay, and this is the smallest string that you can create. Like you also say, like I can create A, then you will take B, then you will say X. This is like its sum is also 27, but this is not a smallest string, so we will reject it. Okay, let's understand the other example also. So we have n equal to 5, so that means we have 5 position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and our k is 73. Okay, so this is A S Z Z. So if we represent, this is 1 1, this is 19, 26, 26. So if we do the sum, so 26 26, it's 52, and 52 19 11, 5 plus 1 6, 71, and 71 plus 1 plus 1, so it will give you 73. Okay, so this is the smallest string that you can generate. Okay, so and k is always greater than n, so like it's pretty simpler like this. If you have k, like k will always be greater than n. If it is less than like this, then you can't solve it. So let's see how we can approach this question. Okay, so let's take this example. Okay, so we need n should be 3, and we need to fill the sum for 27. Okay, so if you have to fill for the length of 3, you know the smallest string that you can generate is a a a. Like this will be the smallest. So if you do the sum for this, so this is equal to 3, but we need to make the sum as 27. Okay, and in the question it's mentioned like you have to create a lexicography, so it's basically in the ascending order. So what we can do, we will fill, like this will be our first step. Okay, fill every position with a, and from the second step what you have to do, go from the last and fill the remaining k that will be left after filling the a. Okay, so what we will do, we will update our k. So what we will do, k minus equal to n. Okay, so what will become, k is equal to now 27 minus 3 equal to 24. Okay, so what we will do at every step now, so like this will be a, this will be a, and this will also a. So we will start from here. Okay, and we'll do at that point whenever like our k is greater than 0. Okay, so what we need to do, basically reduce, let's say if I have to fill z here, so how can I fill, like a representing 1, and if I add 25 to it, what it will become, it will give 26, and if I convert this into a ASCII, this will be a z. So that means my 1 is already present. I can add 25 or it will become then z. Okay, but now our k is only 24. Okay, so if we add a plus 24, what it will become, so a representing 1, and this will become 24, this is 25, and this is basically y. So what you will do, you will update the latest from the last. Okay, so you will update this. This will be a, this will be a, and this will now become y, and you will reduce your k. So k now become k minus equal to 24. So k now is 0. So whenever your k becomes 0, you don't have to go further. You got your smallest string. So this is the output for this case. Let's take another example and then it will be clear to you. Okay, so let's understand the approach with this example. So what we have n equal to 5. So we have 5 position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our first step is to fill all the element with a. Okay, so we will fill a. So this will become a, 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 and you will reduce your k. So now k is become k minus n. So this will be 73 minus n is 5, which is 68. Okay. Now you have got your smallest string, but your k is not empty till now. So whenever you like, so we'll do a loop. Whenever our k is greater than 0, we'll do something. So what we will do, we will go from the last. We will start from here. Every time what we will do, we will subtract k. Basically what we will do, we will subtract our k by k minus, either you can subtract with k or the maximum number you can take is 25, because if I do a plus 25, this will become z, but if I do a plus 26, so this cross the ASCII limit, like after z any ASCII character will be present. So I can take only the maximum character as 25. Okay, so what we will do, we will update our k and we will add this minimum number at here. Okay, okay, so let's write it like this. Let's remove this. Let's write it like this. So this will be array of I. What you will do, you will plus equal to minimum of either 25 or k, and your next step is always to subtract it by 25. Okay, so what you will do, you will update your current ith character. So you will do a, and your k right now is 68 or minimum is 25, so you will take 25 and you will add 25 here. So this will become z, and your pointer will come at here. Okay, and you will reduce your k. So k is right now is 68. After this it will become 68 minus 25. This will be 3, this will be 43. So k is now 43. Okay, we'll move further. So we'll come at here, we'll do the same step, we'll do the minimum of 25 for k. So k is 43 right now, so but the minimum is 25, so we will update, we will add 25 here, and this will become z. After this we'll reduce our k, so k become 43 minus 25. Okay, so this will be 3, 13, and this will be 8 and a 1. So this will be 8 and this will be 1. So now k is become 18, and you will move further. You will come at here. Again you do the minimum of 25 or 18. This time your minimum is k. So you will take, it is 18, and you will add 18 at here, and you will update your k. So k will be now basically 18 minus 25, so which is less than 0. So you will just stop at here and you just update this. So this will become a plus 18 is 19, and 19 represent s. After this like they will remain as it is. So we come out of the loop and we got the smallest ascending string. Okay, so you got to like, you got the approach why we fill first all element with a, because we will reduce our k from the last, and whenever our k become less than 0, we got our sorted string. Okay, so let's write the code for this. Okay, so we need a character array. Let's give an answer new char, which will be of n length, and what we will do, we will fill the character with a. First step is this, and we will update our k also. So k is less than equal. So we have done with our first step. After this we'll loop while k is greater than 0 and your n is also 0. So what you will do, you have to do on current index from the last is equal to plus equal to, you have to do math dot min, it will be your either 25 or the k. After this you will update your k and you will just come out of the loop, and after this we just convert the character into a string. So this will be answer. I think we have done with the code, so let's run it. Let's see. Okay, so this is value of, let's run it. So as you can see, this is accepted, like we are getting the output as 𝗂𝗧 and 𝗂𝗧. Let's submit it. So as you can see, our code is submitted. The time complexity for this is we are like filling an array, so this will be a order of n, and after this we are doing again a loop over our array, so it's a order of n, and the space you can say it's an like this is for the output answer, so this will be order of n, but this is for only for output, so we can assume like we haven't take any extra space, so we have solved in order of 1. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching my video, and do join the Telegram group if you have any doubt and any concern. Thank you.